Amiga! Talk to me now! Amiga! Yo, vicious! Muchacho! Amiga! 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 Jaja!
You may want to go higher up in the tree if you don't want to be seen.
Sir Mullins are gone.
Where are you hiding from? Or more accurately, what are you hiding for? Or you could be pretending to be a East Indian mango.
Sir Mullins. Man them forward from my farm yesterday. And the man them beat up my man. Right now hospital she there. Dislocated jawbone. Me not take no check.
I heard you were responsible for the catching and distribution of the iguanas. Has it occurred to you that this could be a reprisal?
So you mean for tell me say, because we are do something to develop our community. And we don't want nobody come send the people them all over the place and take for them house. And because we do the right thing, them send people come up here. And me, them send them off now. I say because them not see me and my woman in a hospital now. You see right now, Mr. Mullins, I don't know how this all going on. You see, if me have left the family and take up back certain things, it nah go pretty.
Why don't you leave this to me? I would hate to see you back in prison for practicing slaughtering pigs on humans.
Mr. Mullins, I appreciate what you do for me, boss. Because you give me that place and it give me a sense of purpose. And I feel like I find the right thing in my life to do. But you see that thing here, where them man they go up at the hilltop and I go on like say them want to run the people them off of them land and take away them title and them thing, we did have to do something about it. So when Kingman and Mr. Wallace come link me and tell me, say, get them to go on there, the right thing we do. And now the man them forward from my farm. So that means say them after me. Oh, you have to protect the boss.
Don't worry about it, man. Good things come to those who wait.
But not to those who wait too late. I threw the hill I take on forward up here so today. And when I look, I see two of them are lurks down on the bottom of the hill right there. So I'm going to tell you something. I'll go down there for them here right now.
No. Those are mine. It is me who got you into this. And it is me who will get you out. Just little bit.
Boss, so now go about this Radcliffe, brother. And this Tony Xpressionz. Because them stop the project up there, but them man they still up on the loose. You know, so them kill a youth up at Hilltop. Them kill a youth up there now. I'm sure say that it has stem from. So that means that the youth will make Lego the iguana them over there, him gone. So them are forward now for the man. We catch the iguana them. Me nah give you my 3 points, sir, you know. So if you're sure say you can protect me in a bossy, I'm good with that, you know. But outside of that, if I protect myself.
Leave it to me, please. You've been doing pretty well here for yourself. Plus, I think I got some help for you.
Help? Who that?
Young man, come here. That means you won't be needing this anymore.
All this.
Chess, numbers. Numbers, chess.
I know that look at you here, you know. Are you here? Around the top hillside, you lurks youth.
Yeah, man. I heard the ends them used to them, man.
I see you one day, couple months ago, in a lane. Remember the rest of the day I walk with the food them the day. And you tell me, say, I have to look on you them way there, how me I look on you, so. So Mullins, I don't know if more under you up on the farm with me. I don't like them style.
I'm so sorry. I should have made the introductions properly. Karen Lindo, Alfred Lindo.